Hi again, and welcome to English Elevator. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. We're so glad you're here with us for episode 4.
Today's topic is very practical. We're going to learn how to ask and answer basic questions in English.
Yes, if you want to start a conversation, these are the questions you need.
Let's start with the most common question words. In English, these are what, where, when, whom, why, how.
Let's give a few simple examples for each.
What's your name? Where are you from? When is your birthday? Who is your best friend? Why are you learning English? How are you today? Now, let's practice answering. Keep your answers short and clear. What's your name?
My name is Liza.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. Let's try a full mini conversation.
What's your name?
I'm Liza. What's your name?
I'm Andrew. Nice to meet you. Now, it's your turn. We'll ask the question. You answer out loud. Where do you live? What do you like to do? How old are you? Who is your favorite singer?
Pause the episode if you need more time to answer. Practice makes progress.
Today, we learned how to ask and answer simple but important questions in English.
These questions are the key to good conversations. Use them every day.
Thank you for learning with us today. If this helped you, share it with a friend or your class.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon. Practice makes progress.